Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. Are you getting into the holiday spirit yet? Personally I am, and that's why I've gathered my favorite Christmas hacks that will help to set a holiday mood. If you like videos about home hacks and home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Have you ever cut a gift paper too short? Don't worry, there is a way out. Just rotate it diagonally, so it looks like a diamond. And now there's plenty of paper to wrap the gift. Thrifty housewives will especially love this hack. For this next idea, we are gonna need a clear ornament ball that is usually intended for photos. We are gonna turn it into a gift with surprise cash inside. To make it look better, we will fill it with Smarties. Hide cash inside and voila! It's a good idea to tell the person to whom you are giving the gift about the surprise inside. As an alternative, you can fill the ball with cute holiday socks. How about a Christmas pizza? Grab all the ingredients for the pizza out of the fridge. The easiest would be to use a store-bought roll of pizza dough. Spread the dough and cut out a Christmas tree shape with a sharp knife. Spread the tomato paste on the dough and top it up with cheese. Decorate with pepperoni or hot dogs. By the way, you can cut out different shapes using a cookie cutter mold. Next, sprinkle corn on top. Bake in a preheated oven for about 15 minutes. And it's ready! The kids will especially love it. Quick, easy and most importantly, delicious. If you don't have a tape dispenser, not a problem. Simply stick a paper clip on the end of the tape, so you'll save a lot of time when wrapping presents. For this hack we are gonna need hot dogs, wooden skewers, cream cheese, fresh parsley and red peppercorn. Cut the hot dogs at a 45-degree angle, put them on wooden skewers, spread cream cheese on top and decorate with parsley and peppercorn. Obviously, this appetizer looks better than it tastes, but nevertheless, these cute snacks that look like Christmas stockings will definitely bring a holiday spirit. Let me show you how you can easily make a Christmas card with your own hands. Take a paper sheet and stick stripes of decorative masking tape to it. As an alternative, you can cut stripes from any color to gift paper. Stick a star or a ball on top and the cute handmade card is ready. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! You can turn a simple Pringles can into a nice gift package. To do this, wrap the can in a masking tape or a basic colored paper. Then decorate it as you wish and put a sweet treat inside, for example cookies or candy. This idea will work not just for boys but also for men. For the base wrap it's best to use plain paper. Then stick a white strip of paper along the box and draw a line in the middle with a white pencil. Glue a toy car on top and done! It took us very little time to decorate the gift packaging, yet it turned out unique and interesting. Old Christmas cards you no longer need can still be useful. Since the cards are usually signed on the inside right side, the left side tends to be left untouched. Cut out the picture and the homemade card is ready to go. Use a hole punch to hang it on the gift. And now a quick fix for a Christmas tree ornament with a missing cap. Tie a string to a toothpick. Put the toothpick inside the ornament and you can hang it on a tree with confidence. When you need to wrap a gift but there is no wrapping paper nearby, use a basic aluminum foil. Try not to wrinkle it too much so it would look more interesting. Add a ribbon and it will turn out especially beautiful. An excellent solution to gift wrapping. Since my channel is mostly focused on organization, I can't help but show you this organizer for wrapping paper. It's designed to hold anything that's used for holidays and gift wrapping. These organizers usually have several compartments. The biggest one is for the paper itself, and the rest of them can be used for gift decorating tools. An organizer like this will save you time because it will conveniently hold everything you need for the holidays in one place. String lights tend to get tangled. To avoid this, use a small piece of cardboard. Cut 2 notches on the sides and carefully wrap string lights on it. On the top, make a holder for an adapter or a power plug. This trick is for those who want to wrap a non-rectangular shaped gift. In this case, wrap it like a piece of candy. Simply roll it and tie the ends of the paper with ribbons on each side. This idea is perfect for tea lovers. First you need to make a photo collage. For this gift we are gonna need a jar that says tea on a label and a small bottle with orange sugar. We will also need scissors, glue and a little bit of tinsel for decoration. Then everything is simple. Cut the photos into small rectangles and stick each photo on a tag. Put tinsel on the bottom of the jar to make it look more Christmassy. Then put the tea bags inside in a way that you can see the photos. To decorate the jar, I used more tinsel and a sugarcane candy. Finally, I put a sticker on the lid to indicate the type of tea. That's it! And my question of the day is: how do you celebrate holidays in your country? If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!